Hi there.
Hello.
Yeah, doing good?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me guess. You're from China.
No,
Oh, where are you from, by the way?
I guess you from India.
Yeah, I'm from India. Everybody knows about that.
Namaste.
Namaste. Ah, you know
You
how
know
to speak
song
Indian.
India. I know song India. You hi ho,
Oh,
abatum hi ho, abatum hi ho. You know,
oh, I love that song. Arjit Singh. The singer name is Arjit Singh, right?
your English is very good.
Thank you. I will take that as a compliment. And your English also good. Sounds good. Where are you from?
No. I'm beginner.
Okay.
Learn English.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Indonesia. My God, I love Indonesian girls. They look gorgeous.
You know, you know Indonesia.
Yeah, yeah. I have a couple of friends from Indonesia. Okay, on Facebook.
Hmm.
Yeah, I have some friends.
Um, I'm first playing this application episode.
Mhm. It's good application right now. It is a kind of privilege for everyone, each and every of us, that we are getting to talk to know. I mean, we are getting time to know each other, right?
Uh, can you speak slowly?
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Why not? Okay, like it is an opportunity for us to interact with each other, especially from different parts of the country.
Understand.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah.
Can you introduce yourself? Am I audible perfectly? Am I audible as well as visible?
Huh? I don't understand.
Can you hear me properly? Can you hear me?
I hear you.
Okay, properly. Hello. Can you hear me properly?
I hear you.
Okay, that is good that you can hear me. Okay, do you have any question for me?
Mm, how old are you?
I'm old enough to get married with Indonesian girl.
Huh?
I'm old enough to get married with Indonesian girl.
Indonesian girl?
Yeah, I'm old enough to get married with an Indonesian girl.
Aduh.
Okay, fine, 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 fine.
I want to ask you
All
why you I'm from Chinese. Why?
right. Okay,
You
I was just
just
kidding. Okay,
from Chinese.
I was just kidding. Don't take it seriously. I was joking. Okay, messing with you.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Could you tell me something about yourself? Introduce yourself. Could you tell me something about yourself? Brief introduction. I will
Myself,
love it. Yeah.
introduce. My name is Dede Muhammad Rizky.
Okay.
I'm from
Assalamualaikum.
Indonesia,
Okay.
and my uh my age is 21
21.
years old,
Okay.
and I am at work.
Mm-hmm.
And before I'm student,
Mm-hmm.
and now work, but now no work.
No work.
Because I'm no work. Uh, I mean uh, apa ya? Holiday, holiday sih.
Okay. Holiday.
Free.
Hey. Okay.
Yeah. And you?
My name is JD. I'm from India. Okay. I'm born and brought up in a very small village, which is known as a Dahanu.
Can you speak slowly?
Slowly, okay. I am from India. Okay.
Yeah.
My name is JD. JD. J for jungle and D is for dangerous.
Bangladesh.
Dangerous. Dangerous. Dangerous.
Danger.
Dangerous, yeah. I'm pretty dangerous
Where's
man.
danger?
I'm a dangerous man.
What is dangerous? I don't know.
Okay, you don't know dangerous. Dangerous means somebody who will hurt someone. You know.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
How long have you been practicing, by the way? How long have you learned this
Wait, wait,
language?
wait, wait. Where are you now?
Where are you now? I'm in heaven.
You in heaven?
Yeah. There are so many angels. And some of them are going to meet me now. Okay, after this conversation.
Okay,
Where
okay.
are you now?